the song Fraudulent. So let's get into it. So the first thing I did was I just walked in. You give me your sassiest walk. Let me show you. You 1, 2, 3, 4. Now the counts are a little bit off, so you gotta make sure you listen to the music and enjoy the song and just fill out the moves. So you're gonna snap 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So the snaps are gonna be 1, 2, up, 3, 4, side, 5, 6, 7, 8. You guys got it? Let's keep going. So I'm gonna start over from the walk and I'm gonna do it. So let's see it. Ready? Go. 1, 2, 3, stop. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So now we're gonna do the next part. The next part is, it's time for me to take it. So you're gonna walk forward. It's time for me to take it. You're gonna kick, ball, change. You're gonna puff your chest out, and you're gonna go and slide. Let's do that again. It's gonna go. It's time for me to take it. Push, push, side. You're gonna walk, not gonna fake it. There you go. Then you snap, snap, walk. So you're gonna be snapping back into your place. Walk, walk, and here. Another sassy walk. You sound very sassy. So it's gonna go. Time for me to take it. Kick, ball, change, puff, puff, look to the side, walk, walk, sassy, 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 sassy. Okay, let's go to the next part. All right, guys, go to the next part. So after you sassy walk, you're gonna stop, you're gonna do this move. You're gonna click, click, push, boom. So you gotta show your big muscles at this part. You're gonna click, click, push, boom. You're gonna kick, ball, change, here, here. All right, so let's do that. So you're going to click, click, push, boom, kick, ball, change, push, out, out, out. You're gonna go here, here, here. So let's do that one more time. So you're gonna go click, click, push, boom, kick, ball, change, here, 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 here. All right, so those are the hands, and now you just add the feet to it. So you're gonna go boom, out, throw. So let's do it one more time. So you're gonna go click, click, push, boom, 1 and 2, here, out, out, throw. Next part. Okay, you guys are almost done. So we're gonna go 1, 2, throw, and then we're gonna step on your right foot, and you're gonna turn with it, down, out, snap. So let's go from click, click, boom, boom, piece it all together. Click, click, boom, boom. Throw, ball, change, here, up, out, throw, turn, stop, 1, 2. Now I'm gonna add a little more, 3, 4. So it's a 1, 2. You step up with your left foot, 3, 4, 5 in, 6 in, 7. So you're basically gonna be running up, going, heading, 1, 2, 3. That's the next part. Let's go to the next part. All right, so now we're gonna go and we're gonna walk through all the steps that you learned so far. I know you got it, let's keep it going. So we're gonna go, it's time for me to snatch, boom, 1, put, boom, boom, out, look, walk, sassy walk coming up, sassy, 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 here. Click, click, boom, boom, kick, ball, change, here, up, out, throw, turn, out, 1, 2, click, run up, boom, 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 snap, boom, snap. That's it. All right, so now we did boom, boom. You're gonna do a quick step. You're gonna step on your left foot, but then you're gonna jump with your right. Complicated. Boom, boom, jump, jump, around, step. Let's just try that part. So it's gonna be boom, boom, jump, jump, around, 2, step. Then you're gonna go around with your head, here, click, 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 move, here, here. All right, let's put that all together and do it. So you're gonna boom, boom, jump, jump, around, 1, 2, out, here, click, 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 head, here, here. You're gonna go up, up, and then your right foot comes in when you do the third one. So it's gonna be 1, 2, foot comes in, all right? So now we got the little TikTok in here, and then you guys know it. So after this part, 1, 2, right foot comes in, and this TikTok, 1, 2, 3, 4, around, around. Alright, so let's do it from the clicks. Ready? Go. Boom, boom, click, click, round and around, snap, 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 here, down, in, boom, 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 boom. Alright, next clip. Alright, so now that we finished this part, we're gonna throw some more TikTok in there. Do the hips. 1, 2, 3, 4. Push, push, mind. Alright, so let's go from TikTok moves. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Hips, hips, push, push, mind. Alright, okay, we are wrapping it up. Round of applause to everyone who's still here. So we're going to do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and hips, hips, push, push, mind. Now here's the new part. So this part's going to go out. Then you're going to rock, 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 rock. Alright, so let's do from TikTok, and then we'll add a little rock in there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and hips, hips, push, push, mind, mind, out. Rock, 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 rock. Now we're going to finish it up. You're going to pull, pull, pull. Now these can be wherever you want once you get creative with it. It's 3 pulls. So you can pull this way, you can pull out the ground, you can pull out the phone, you know what I'm saying? You can do whatever you want to do, but you just got to make sure that you're pulling it. So we'll start from TikTok. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and hips, hips, push, push, mind, mind, out. 1, 2, 3, 4, pull, pull, pull. Alright, next one. So now we're going to do, it's wrong you're being fraudulent. Alright, so you're going to walk, it's wrong you're being, it's wrong you're being, it's wrong you're being fraudulent. So you can do whatever you want to do on this part. Make sure you tell them it's wrong, you know, walk backwards, walk sideways, get creative with it, and that is it. Bye! Okay, so since you guys are done, we're going to do one final walkthrough. So all together, put all the moves together, let's start from the top. So it's going to go snap, snap, up, snap, snap, side, snap, snap, side. It's time for me to take push, 1, 2, boom, boom, round. Here, sassy, sassy, walk, 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 walk. Click, 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 boom, 1 and 2. Up, boom, boom, boom. You're going to turn, walk, boom, boom, boom. Up and down and boom, 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 boom. Do-do. Around, mind, stop, hit and hit. 1, 2, 3, 4. Here, here, in. Now we're going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, and hips, hips, push, push. Mind, mind, out. 1, 2, 3, 4. You're going to pull, 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 pull. I know what's wrong you're being. Doom, 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 da, da. That's it. Bye, guys.